Good morning to all. I am Srilingi Bhupati, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Department, Pondicherry College of Engineering. Last class, I taught you about a problem based on the radiation heat transfer. In this class, I am going to teach you about another one problem based on the radiation heat transfer. Read the problem. A black body at 3000 Kelvin emits radiation. Calculate the following. First one, monochromatic emissive power at 1 micrometer wavelength. Second one, the wavelength at which emission is maximum. Third one, the maximum emissive power. Fourth one, total emissive power. Fifth one, calculate the total emissive of the furnace if it is assumed as a real surface having emissivity equal to 0.85. Okay, its problem itself they given the type of radiation. It's a black body radiation. It has a temperature 3000 Kelvin. Right? Only one data is given. Right? Only one data is given. What are data is given? Given data. What are data is given? Temperature. That is 3000 Kelvin. Right? 3000 Kelvin. To find, calculate the following. First one, monochromatic emissive power. Monochromatic emissive power. That means normal EB. Normal EB lambda. Monochromatic emissive power at 1 micrometer by wavelength. At 1 micrometer wavelength. Right? 1 micrometer means that is the lambda. Lambda is equal to 1 micrometer. Then, second one, wavelength at which emission is maximum. Wavelength we need to find at which emission is maximum. So, the maximum wavelength. Next, third one, maximum emissive power. Maximum emissive power. EB lambda max. Right? Next, fourth one, total emissive power. Total emissive power, that is EB. The last one, calculate the total emissive of the furnace. In this case only they given as a furnace, right? If it is assumed as a real surface, we need to assumed as a real surface having emissivity of 0.85, right? Fifth case, we need to find the same emissive power, total emissive power, but it's a real surface. It's for real surface. As a real surface, and it has a emissivity epsilon. Emissivity is equal to 0.85. Emissivity is equal to 0.85. Right? How you can solve the problem? How you can solve the problem? What we need to find first? Monochromatic emissive power, right? First one, monochromatic emissive power. That is, the symbol is EB lambda, right? That symbol is EB lambda. For this, for finding the value of monochromatic emissive power, For finding the value of monochromatic emission power, we can write the formula. We can write the formula from the HMT data book. From HMT data book. Page number 90. We can write the formula from the HMT data book, page number 90. The formula is EB lambda is equal to C1 lambda power minus 5 divided by lambda power minus 5 divided by expression of C2 divided by lambda t minus 1, lambda t minus 1. Here they given the value of lambda. They given the value of lambda is equal to 1 micrometer, right? We need to convert it into meter. 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter, right? Then C1 and C2 values. C1 and C2 values also available in the HMT data book, page number 90. C1 and C2 values also available in the HMT data book, page number 90. The value is C1 is equal to 0.374 into 15. C1 equal to 0.374 into 10 power 15, 10 power minus 15 watt per meter watt meter square, and the value of C2 14.4 into 10 power 14.4 into 10 power minus 3 meter Kelvin. 14.4 into 10 power minus 3 meter Kelvin. After, now we can check what are data we need to know. All the values we know here. And we need to substitute all the values in this equation. We need to substitute all the values in this equation and find the value of EP lambda, that is monochromatic emissive power. Monochromatic emissive power. That value is 3.1 into 10 power 12 watt per meter square. Right? Then what's the second term we need to find? Maximum wavelength. Maximum wavelength that symbol is lambda max. How you can find the value of lambda max? How you can find means we can write the formula from the HMT data book. Page number 90. The formula is lambda max the T is equal to the lambda max in the T is equal to 2898 micrometer Kelvin. Here we know the value of temperature. Substitute the value here and find the value of lambda max. How means we need to convert the unit. Right? Lambda max is equal to 2898 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 3000. The maximum wavelength. Now when you are substituting the values here, and then we will get the maximum wavelength value. Maximum wavelength value. The value is 0.966 10 power minus 6 into 10 power minus 6 meter. 10 power minus 6 meter. Right? Second term over. What's the third one? What's the third one? We need to find the total. What's the third term we need to find? What's the third term we need to find? Maximum emissive power, right? Maximum emissive power. What's the third term we need to find? Maximum emissive power. Maximum emissive power. How you can find the value of maximum emissive power? How you can find the value of maximum emissive power means the maximum emissive power formula is EB lambda max is equal to 1.305 10 power minus 5 T power 5. The formula is 1.307 into 10 power minus 5 into T power 5. Here we know the value of temperature. Here we know the value of temperature. First, and substitute the value of temperature here and find the value of maximum emissive power. The value will be 3.12 into 10 power 12 watt per meter square. Watt per meter square. Right? After finding the value of emissive power, after finding the value of maximum emissive power, we need to find the value of total emissive power. We need to find the value of total emissive power. The total emissive power symbol is EB. Right? For finding the total emissive power, for finding the value of total emissive power, we can write the formula from the HMT data book. We can write the formula from the HMT data book, page number 90. Page number 90. The formula is EB is equal to sigma into T power 4. Sigma into T power 4. The sigma, what's my sigma? Sigma is the Stefan-Boltzmann constant. The value we can write from the HMT data of page number 90. Right? The value is 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin power 4. Watt per meter square Kelvin power 4. Now we know the value of Stefan-Boltzmann constant and temperature value here. Now we can substitute both the values here. It will be 4.59 into 10 power 6 watt per meter square. Watt per meter square. After finding the value of total emissive power, we need to find the value of total emissive power. Total emissive power for real surface. For real surface. Right? For the real surface, they given the value of emissivity. They given the value of emissivity, that value is 0.85. For finding the total emissive power for real surface, only small change in the total emissive power equation. The total emissive power equation. What's the change means? That total emissive power for real surface is equal to the emissivity into sigma T power 4. Sigma T power 4. Only the emissivity to multiply the tan. Only the emissivity to multiply the tan and find the value of MC power for total MC power for real surface, right? Now we know all the values. In this equation. Emissivity, Stockholm Boltzmann constant and temperature value. After that we need to substitute all the values in this equation. After that we need to substitute and find the value of total emissive power for real surface. The value is 3.9 into 10 power 6 watt per meter square. Right?